Yeah, 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 yeah. With you. Yeah, 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 yeah. With you. Time all the time. Girl, I wanna spend my life with you.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So tonight I just wanted to do a really quick, blowout so I could do a protective style and have my hair up for about a week and a half. So I decided to wash my hair. So this is a fresh wash. And I'm going straight into the blow drying process. I just went ahead and did my middle part so that it's easier for me to have the center. Since my hair is wet, it was much easier to part because I'm super tender-headed, so I know when I blow dry it's going to be chaotic. And put each side into some scrunchies. And working on this side first, I just parted it into sections and I added my Grow by Seiko hair serum to the entire section, and I brushed it out and detangled to make sure there was no tangles. And then I started blow drying using the brush to help me really get in there. I definitely need a blow dryer that has the comb attachment because this was a lot, so that's what we're working with. And as you can see, that back section gets blown out pretty easy. It only took a few passes. And you'll see me using multiple brushes throughout this time. That's just because it's what I picked up on the sink at the time. And yeah, I just keep blow drying, and once I'm done I'll just twist it up and use a comb to make sure there's no tangles at the ends. I'm just continuously using the brush, blow drying. I was on medium heat, and I just slowly carry that blow dryer along the brush to stretch my hair out. As you can see, my hair is very thick, so this is as good as it's gonna get with that blow dryer. I've never gotten a silk press, but I definitely would be open to trying one. I've been natural for almost 4 years, and the most I've done is this. This is the most I've done, is blowing out my hair when I'm going to get knotless braids or when I'm braiding my own hair. I have low porosity hair, but it seems like when I'm blow drying, it takes forever for that moisture to get out. So I'm just working on each individual section, applying the Grow by Seiko hair serum as a heat protectant, and yeah, I did this for my entire head. And this is the final result. My hair is fully blown out. And I'm adding some jam to the middle part that I already did, just to get those hairs to lay flat right there. And now I'm going to begin working on the 4 braids, and this is actually the first time I did 4 braids in my own hair. I like to stick with my 2 braids and keep it moving, but that's my part. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other part so I can have 2 braids on each side. And you can definitely see in my face that it's hurting. That's how tender-headed I am. I rather just get my hair braided and have them do the parts, and I can grit my teeth and be in pain, but at least it's quick because they can see the back of my head, you know? So here I am starting on my first braid. Now that first braid is done, and 3 more braids to go. Again, I'm using that jam and I'm pulling my edges out so that it doesn't get caught up in the braid. And then I'll use my comb to pull out the first few pieces of hair to get that braid started. And now second braid is done. You know, that was looking pretty dry at the bottom, so I just added some wet line to my ends, and now I'm fixing my edges for this side. And here I am preparing to do the part for the other side, but sadly I was definitely in there recording for too long because my camera died right here. So I'll just put in a few clips of what the 4 braids look like when I was done. So yeah, that was the final look, the 4 braids I did. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.